your estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
What about an umbrella policy? How is that different from a liability policy, or is that all one and the same?
Well, let's use that same example, okay? Let's change it around where that person that made $100,000 a year, combined income with him and his spouse, right? Well, their assets, just on their income alone, is going to add up to over $800,000, okay? Typically, an auto liability policy is going to come with a maximum coverage of $500,000, okay? So that wouldn't be enough to cover all the assets of this couple, right? And so you would have to put a $1 million umbrella on top of that. Okay, so you would actually be insured up to $1.5 million. You mentioned overinsurance sometimes. Well, we don't really look at that as overinsurance because umbrellas are relatively inexpensive. Just so you know, average one with 2 cars and a home might cost you $160 a year with a certain company that I'm thinking about.
So why isn't everybody doing an umbrella policy then?
Well, I'm telling you, honestly, they're buying through uneducated agents that try to sell price over the phone. They're selling the bare minimum coverages, which are $15,000 sometimes. Sometimes they'll sell $100,000 of coverage without asking any questions. But if you do a quality financial review like we train and like Steve does with all of his clients, then the clients are usually about 90 to 100% of the time buying a $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $5 million umbrella. Whatever they add up to, that's what we recommend because it's the right thing to do.